Today I'll be telling you guys how you guys can change your language on Craigslist. First, you want to search for Craigslist on your browser and click on Craigslist.org, the official website of Craigslist. Once you're on its official website, to change your country, you need to go to specific. So right now, first you want to click on CJ Worldwide. Once you click on CJ Worldwide, it's going to show you all the continent. Now you need to choose which continent your country falls under. So if I want to change into Dubai or UAE, I need to choose Middle East. For Europe, UK, I need to go into Europe. So if I want to change my country into United Kingdom or UK, I need to choose Europe. From over here, I need to choose England. So I need to search for England over here. Let's see where England is. Now you need to choose whichever continent your country falls under. Alright. So I'm going to go for United Kingdom over here. Once I choose United Kingdom, it's going to ask me which part of United Kingdom. So I live in Oxford, UK, so I will choose Oxford, UK. And once I click on the specific location, my Craigslist location should be changed just like this. So let's wait for some time until my location is changed. It's loading. It might take a bit of time because it takes a bit of time. And just like this, as you guys can see, my location in Craigslist has been changed into UK. You guys can see it. So if you guys found our video helpful on how to change your location on Craigslist, hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.